We decided to have it on the first day where it was below the sub 100 degree day.
Oh, those people are going to be so thankful.
Yeah, today was pretty nice. 88 for the high. Now the morning low I think was 83. Were you guys up and outside, 7-ish, 7:30 this morning?
Yeah, I was about 8 o'clock.
It was pretty muggy and pretty warm this morning. It'll be about 10 degrees cooler tomorrow morning. Now again, don't expect to walk out and go, oh my gosh, it's a taste of fall. It's not like that.
No.
But we hit 101 yesterday, and when you cool down to today 88, tomorrow about 94.
Perspective.
It's not bad.
For this time of year in North Texas, if you just moved here, man, this is.
Yeah, we don't get it very often.
Yeah, if you just moved here, it's like this all the time.
Yeah.
No, it's
Don't
not.
believe it.
Let me show you this. Here's what's happening out there right now. And we don't have this in the summertime. It's rare we have rain in the summer. It doesn't happen very often, but it is rare for us to have an extended period of on and off rain in our forecast and an extended period of cooler than normal temperatures. Wait until you see these numbers in just a moment. Have a little bit of rain in Plano. There's no severe weather. I don't expect any severe weather tonight, but from Plano to Parker to Murphy here, all on the west side of Lake Lavon, and even a little bit of spotty rain south of Lavon itself, the town of Lavon, which is on the east side of the lake. Then a couple little areas of thunder over here just to the west of Tyler, outside of Athens. I've seen a couple strikes. Here's one between Quitman and Canton, a couple little thunderstorms there. That's about it. This fizzles out in the next few hours. There's the way the radar looks at midnight, and then by 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, it's all gone. There could be a couple spotty showers as we head through the early part of the morning. You see that rain that popped up during the day tomorrow? It's not much, but about 10% of us here, the Metroplex will see it. A little bit higher coverage the farther east you go. And then as we fast forward into the day on Friday. Here's Friday, 7 o'clock in the morning. So I've got a couple little spotty showers in my forecast Friday. So tomorrow and Friday, coverage is about 10%. Saturday, it's about 20%. Here's 7 in the morning Saturday. Watch this. East Texas, a little better chance of rain. Far West Texas, a little better chance, but rain coverage is pretty limited on Saturday. Now Sunday, here's 7 in the morning Sunday. See some rain out to the west. Check this out. 40, maybe 50% of us on Sunday see some rain. So here's my rain coverage the next 7 days. That takes us through Wednesday of next week. So tomorrow and Friday, 10% coverage. That means 90% of us won't see a drop of rain. 20% coverage on Saturday. 40 to 50% coverage Sunday and Monday, and next Wednesday, 30% coverage. Rainfall the next 7 days. Now, it's not all going to happen at once, so you just saw the coverage numbers that I gave you, but Dallas-Fort Worth, Metroplex could see an inch, maybe up to 2. East of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 2, maybe 3, and then west and to the northwest of Fort Worth could see a ½ an inch to maybe an inch across the area. And temperatures, just the next 7 days. Remember, I've got a 14-day forecast coming in just a moment, but the next 7 days, this is rare. 7 days in a row with cooler than normal temperatures, anywhere from 3 degrees to 8 degrees, 9 degrees cooler than normal. I mean, we're looking at upper 80s as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Tonight, not as warm, a little muggy, but not bad, a lot better than this morning. 74 is the low tonight, and then during the day tomorrow, 93 is the high. A warm, humid day with some light winds. Remember, only 10% of us see rain then. Then there's the next 14 days. There's the 80s to start the week next week. 80s to start the week next week. And every day out of those 7, there is a chance of rain. Now here's the final 7 of the 14. Look at that. That's a 14-day forecast, Jonah. And if you count them, Cynthia can't count that high, but if you counted them, 12 out of 14 days have a chance of rain, some days better than others. And you know how many days have cooler than normal temperatures, Cynthia, out of that 14-day forecast?
Tell us.
13. 13. Only Wednesday. That'll be a near normal day for us on Wednesday. All the other days are cooler than normal. That is so unusual for this time of year, and that takes us through the end of July.